In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Power BI field parameter to change chart measures dynamically. So let's get started and dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open Power BI on your computer. If you don't have it open already, just locate the icon on your desktop or search for it in your Applications menu and double click to launch it. Once Power BI is up and running, you'll be greeted by the familiar workspace. Now, at the heart of this tutorial is a dynamic way to visualize your data, so being comfortable navigating Power BI is key. Next, let's focus on the top ribbon where you'll find various tabs. Here, we're interested in the Modeling tab. Go ahead and click on it. It's an essential part of Power BI because it offers tools that allow you to define and manipulate the structure of your data models. With the Modeling tab highlighted, the next step is to create a new parameter. Locate the button labeled New Parameter. It's usually found amongst the options at the far right of the ribbon. Once you click New Parameter, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Field. This option is crucial because it allows you to create parameters that can replace fields dynamically within your visuals. Selecting Field will open up the What If parameter configuration window. Now, in this window, you'll have the opportunity to name your parameter and select the fields you wish to include. At this point, you might see various fields listed within your data model. These fields represent the different data points you can toggle between in your charts. The idea here is to choose the fields that are most relevant to what you want to visualize dynamically. Take your time to select these fields thoughtfully, as they will form the backbone of your dynamic chart. Once you've selected your desired fields, a new calculated table will be created in your field list. This table allows for the change of measures dynamically in your charts. You're now set to manipulate this table to present the data in the way you find most informative. You can begin dragging these parameters into the areas on your chart where you'd like the data to change dynamically. This ability to switch between different data points without having to manually adjust the report offers a powerful, versatile way of interacting with your visuals. And there you have it. By using Power BI field parameters, you now have the flexibility to change the measures of your chart dynamically, providing a more engaging and insightful experience with your data. As you practice, you'll discover even more ways to optimize your reports and uncover valuable insights. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.